So today we are going to show you guys how to plant a plant in your Arizona landscape. So the first thing you're going to want to do, you can use an auger for this, or you can just use a shovel like we did. You're going to want to dig your hole probably 25 to 50% bigger than your actual plant is. The next thing you're going to want to do is grab your plant, tip it over to get the plant out, and you're going to want to shake up the bottom of it to get these roots exposed, and then place it right in the center of your hole. So once you have your plant in the center of the hole, approximately 1 inch above final grade, you want it a little bit higher because most plants will actually die from overwatering right when they're planted rather than underwatering. So you want the water to pool away from the plant and not just sit right on the root ball. So once you get it to that height, you're going to want to grab your native soil that you dug out and backfill all around the plant. All right, so now that we've got our plant backfilled, you can see that we have our little water ring. Once you get it to this point, you're going to want to bring your decorative rock in, or whatever you're using as ground cover, and bring it in and do it at a depth at 2 inches all the way around it. That way it'll allow water to seep through and it will protect the plant. So that's the basic way to plant a plant in your Arizona landscapes.